Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn what is compound words and kinds of compound words. Okay, let's see first what is compound words. Compound words are formed by joining together two or three different words to convey new meaning are called compound words. Okay, look at the example. Air plus plane, airplane. Butter plus fly, butterfly. I hope you could understand what is compound words. Okay, now let's see kinds of compound words. There are three kinds of compound words. First, closed compound word. Second, open compound word. And third, hyphenated compound word. Okay, let's see use of them. Closed compound words written as a single word. For example, to plus day, today. Home plus work, homework. Here you can't use any space between the word. Okay, let's see next. We use space between words written as separate words. For example, ice cream, living room. Okay, now let's see hyphenated compound. Have a hyphen between words. Here you have to use hyphen between words. For example, close up, father-in-law, father-in-law. Okay, I hope that you could understand what is the compound words and kinds of compound words. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.